Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to reset your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to factory reset your Windows 11, then I will show you simple method how to do this. First of all, you have to click on the start menu, then click on settings, click on the system, scroll down. Here you will find recovery. Click on this. Here you can see recovery option. Under this you will find reset this PC. Click on reset PC. In this you will find two options, keep my files and remove everything. Keep my files means it will save your personal files which are saved on your hard drive, and this remove everything means it will remove all your personal files, apps and settings, each and everything. So if you want to completely factory reset, you can select this option, remove everything. If you want to keep your personal files safe as it is, you can select this option, keep my files. After that you can select any one of them, cloud download or local reinstall. So I will select as local reinstall, then click on next, then click on finish. It will take some time. After completion of this, your PC will be restarted. After restarting, hope your Windows 11 will be resetted. That's it guys. So in this way you can factory reset your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.